I was suffering from nose pain and throat pain from long back. It would be long 6 months ago, and I just visited the ENT clinic, that is Dr. Santosh Kumar. And when I entered here, the environment was so clean and so neat. And also, the doctor is so genuine and he understood all my problems. And now I have been operated. When I was about to get operated, I was very afraid, as everybody is. And then when I went inside, the doctor gave me so much of motivation that you will be fine. And then we were all scared actually as a family. And then I didn't feel any pain during the operation. And, of course, there will be a pain after that, but it was not as much as it would be, as much as that I thought about it. And the service here is very good. All the people interact to you so genuinely that you feel like coming all the time here. And thank you so much. I'm well, good, and fine now.